Hey guys, this is a video on how to change your battery on a key fob for a 2009 Toyota Camry. I looked it up at first and went to get one, and because online they said 2025. Well, then I had to make another trip because it was the wrong size. It's actually 2016. The CR 2016 is the size for it. I got this at Walmart after my second try, so you might want to open it up and find out what you got in there before you make the trip, so you don't have to make two trips. So you flip this over. You don't have to take it out of the key ring. There's a thing right here on the side. I don't know if you can see that. Right in there, you can stick a butter knife in there, pop it open, pull this out, pop this out like that. If for some reason these buttons that are underneath this rubber pad come out, you just put the buttons back in there, put the rubber pads, you know, they all fit the way that they're supposed to. So if you don't think you can do it, don't try it. It's not rocket science, but some people aren't very confident with this kind of thing. So take the butter knife and a fingernail, pry open this area here, kind of be careful. This is my only set of keys, so you gotta make sure that I do this correctly. Pop that open like that. The battery is sitting right in there. Take that battery out. Take the new battery with the positive side up. It's got a plus sign on it. Stick it in right here. Slides in towards towards the metal. The metal springy thing right there. You push it up against that. It pops in and it's in. Close it back up. Make sure this goes in the right way so it fits in there. Pop it in. Put this back on. Snap it together. All set. That's it.